Hello, hello, hello. Let me just turn off the fan here. The sound of silence. So, I know many times I have said that this work table is indeed a pool table. But of course, who would think it when it was all covered up? Now, is it really possible at this moment for me to shoot a game? No. There is still too much stuff on the perimeter. And I am out of practice. But do not doubt that soon, somehow, some way, I will get this back to where the game could be played. But this is not that day. It is not. I can shoot. Basically, I've got this side of the table. Because most everything that I had on the table is now somewhere. Oh. Somewhere. Yes, I hesitate to say it. On the floor. Mostly on the other side of the table. So I can at least hear that sound. I can shoot some. I can. It has been many years. Since the sound of pool balls have been heard here. And I must say, I wasn't going to be bothered doing this, but I must say, it is an inspiring sound. It is. So, what lies next? Oh, well, certainly better not to try and shoot with your wrong hand. I hope to have any success. But what happens next? Well, the cover will go back on the table. And then the extra cover will go over that. And then I was concerned that some of the feet and other such things might possibly hurt the felt. So I have cardboard, not everywhere, but a lot of places on the table. But as you can see, or as I can see, the table looks pretty good. So remember this while you can, because soon, very soon, the cover will go back balls will go into the pocket. This is not going to work, but I'll try. Nope. And once again, instead of the sound of pool balls, the sound of the Commodore 64 dead test will rule the pool room. It will. So anyhow, they put a lot of time into making sure the table is just so. I don't know if everything I've done has altered that. I hope not. So, it is a pool table. It really is. Anyway, well, that was fun. I must get back to work.